Good morning, children. Now, all of you know how is finding the area of the figures, shapes, etc. Isn't it? Then we can take next another question. Look here, children. Here you can see one rectangle. You can see here, isn't it? You can see here one rectangle. And what is the area of that rectangle, children? How is finding the area of that rectangle? This one is the rectangle, and the area of that rectangle means, yes, what is the area of the rectangle, children? That is length into breadth, isn't it? That is length into breadth. What is the length here, children? The length is, look here, one is we can take it this square, this small square, we can take it as 1 centimeter. Look here, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 square, 10 centimeter. That is the length of this rectangle, that is 10 centimeter. And what is the breadth of this rectangle? 1, 2, isn't it? That is 2. Then what is the area of this rectangle? That is 10 into 2, isn't it? Length into breadth, that is 10 into 2. And so, yes, length into breadth, area of the rectangle, length into breadth. Here area, length is this one, this is 10 centimeter, isn't it? And this breadth is 2 centimeter. So area is equal to length into breadth, that is 10 into 2, that is 20 square centimeter, isn't it? That is 20 square centimeter. So this one, yes, this rectangle is 20 square centimeter. This rectangle is 20 square centimeter. Then what is the first question? Look here. Draw a straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal triangles. That is the first question. And second question, what is the area of each of the triangle? So first question, draw a straight line. Draw a straight line in this rectangle. You want to draw a straight line in this rectangle, and that straight line divide this rectangle into two equal triangles. They have to divide this rectangle into two equal triangles. That is the question. First, you want to draw a straight line. You have to draw a straight line in this 20 square centimeter rectangle, and that straight line divide this rectangle into two equal triangles. Then how can draw that line, children? How can draw that line? Yes, when we draw this line, look here, this rectangle divide into two equal rectangles. But we want to divide this rectangle into two equal triangles by drawing a straight line in this rectangle, isn't it? So look here, we can add straight line like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can take the center. We can take the center of this rectangle, and you have to draw one straight line like this. Okay? Yes, right, children? Look here, we can draw one straight line like this from this end, and in the center, through the center, we can draw a straight line. Then that straight line divide this rectangle into two equal triangles. You can look here. Yes, A, B, C. A, B, C, that is a triangle, isn't it? That is a one triangle. A, B, C. That is a triangle. Look here. Yes. Yes. This one is the one triangle, isn't it? If we draw a straight line through the center, then we will get it two triangles. One is this ABC, and if we give name here, another one is ADC. Another one is ADC. Two triangles we will get it here, isn't it? Then one is ABC and another one is ADC. Two triangles. That is, equal part, because this straight line going through the center, isn't it? This straight line is going through the center, so we will get it two equal triangles. Okay, then first question is that draw a straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal triangles. The next question, what is the area of each triangle? The next question, what is the area of each triangle? Then we want to find out the area of each triangle. How is getting that, children? Each triangle. No need to count the complete squares or half of the squares or more than half of the square. Why? Because this straight line divides this rectangle into two equal parts. This straight line divide this rectangle into two equal parts. That means two equal parts, that is two triangles. So that means each triangle is half of that rectangle. Each triangle is half of that rectangle. This ABC is the half of the rectangle ABCD, and ADC, this ADC is also half of the rectangle, isn't it? Is it correct, children? Yes, okay. Then this is the 20 square centimeter rectangle. In this rectangle, we draw a straight line through the center of this rectangle, and that straight line divides this rectangle into two equal triangles. Two equal triangles. That means if the area of this triangle is ABC is 10 square centimeter, then area of ADC is also 10 square centimeter, because that is two equal triangles, isn't it? Then how is finding the area of that triangle? That means it is the area of triangle is equal to half of the area of rectangle. Half of area of rectangle. That is half of the area of the rectangle. Then what is the area of rectangle? What is the area of the rectangle? That is area of rectangle is equal to, yes, area of rectangle is equal to, that is 20 square centimeter rectangle, isn't it? So area of the rectangle is equal to 20 square centimeter. So area of triangle is equal to half of 20. That is 10 square centimeter. That is 10 square centimeter. So triangle ABC is 10 square centimeter and triangle ADC also 10 square centimeter. That's 10 plus 10, 20 square centimeter. Okay, children? Yes. The next one. Next one. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal rectangles. What is the area of each of the smaller rectangles? The question is, yes, question is, draw one straight line in this rectangle. In this rectangle, this is also 20 square centimeter. 20 square centimeter rectangle. In this rectangle, you want to draw one straight line and to divide it into two equal smaller rectangles. What is the two equal rectangles? What is the area of each of the smaller rectangles? Then how you can draw the line, children? You can draw the line in the center. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can draw a line like this. You can draw a line like this, and then you will get it two equal smaller rectangles. That is two parts, isn't it? This one is the, yes, look here, A, B, C, D. That is the rectangle. And if we draw a line here, and we can give the name here E, F. Yes, look here. Then this one is the A, B, E, F is one rectangle, and E, C, D, F, that is another rectangle. One is here, two is here. Then you will get it two smaller rectangles. And what is the question? That line already drew. What is the area of each smaller rectangle? What is the area of the smaller rectangle? That you have to do. Okay, children. That is an homework. Do it for tomorrow. Okay. Bye, children.